Hello, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Today, through this video lecture, we are going to start our third chapter, Entrepreneurship Development. Friends, this chapter we have to learn not only because it is included in syllabus, but also to choose one of the way to become self-employed, that is, Atmanirbhar. In our surroundings, we found a grocery shop, a laundry shop, a stationery shop, many of companies, and even if there is any plumbing problem in our home, we call up a plumber who solves this plumbing problem. These all around us are called as an entrepreneurs. We noticed that with full devotion, dedication, and hard work, they grow their business activity. With the help of all these information, we come to know that entrepreneurship is a full-time job which requires dedication and hard work. They are innovators and are passionate to innovate, lead, invent with technology. Entrepreneurs are owners, producers, market creators, decision takers, and risk takers. Means, by taking risk, they can start their own business and appoints required employees, which generates employment opportunities in the society and helps in the economic development of the nation. The size of the business, the type of work involved, the age or the formal education of entrepreneur, etc. does not restrict the entry of entrepreneur. These are the people who have the courage to offer and to share an idea or a product or a service with the world. They try to make market a better place where the needs of consumers can be satisfied. Let us see the definitions. Howard Stevenson, a long-time professor at Harvard Business School, defines entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunity beyond resources controlled. According to this definition, an entrepreneur is a person who grabs the opportunities around him and makes proper utilization of available resources to become a successful businessman. See students, in our personal life also, there are so many opportunities around us, and the person who grabs these opportunities and make proper utilization of these on time, that person becomes a successful person. Now, let us see second definition. According to Webster Dictionary, an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. In simple words, an entrepreneur is defined as a risk taker, as we already learned that while anybody starts a business, risk is automatically comes along with. But while earning money, something should be invested and something should be involved in the form of risk. Now, let us see the characteristics of an entrepreneur one by one. Number 1. Intellectual capabilities. While doing business, time to time businessmen have to take various decisions, as well as an entrepreneur have to face various situations. For taking accurate decisions, he has ability to analyze business situations. An entrepreneur has reasonably good intelligence and a creative mind which will helpful him for growing business. Number 2. Future vision. External environment is affecting on business. In 11th standard, we studied how these external factors are affecting on business. An entrepreneur has a good foresight about future market situations. This will help him to take proper decisions according to the situations and changes in the market. So, he can take timely action for the same. Number 3. Hard work. As we know, the hard work is the key of success. In your student life, you achieve great success, you have to work hard with your studies. Whatever efforts you take, it will result into a sweet fruit as the time of result. Likewise, to achieve business goal, an entrepreneur takes a lots of efforts, works hard, and which will result into business success. Number 4. Technical knowledge. To survive in this competitive business world, one should have to adopt modern technology in his business. Customers are demanding innovative products. To improve the quality of product, latest technology should be adopted by the business organizations. An entrepreneur has good technical knowledge about his business. The entrepreneur has the ability to update himself with the latest knowledge about the product, process, and technology. Number 5. Communication skills. Good communication skill definitely will help the businessman to grow his business. While conducting business, an entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people like customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. He can express his ideas through good communication skill. He can convince, attracts customers for more purchasing. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि मीठी बात करके कोई मिट्टी भी बेच के दिखाता है. It is necessary that there must be proper understanding between entrepreneur and the others, which will helpful to grow his business activity. Number 6. Highly optimistic. The positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Really, students, positive attitude towards the life is very important. If a person is struggling in his life, the positive attitude will give him energy to overcome from his hard times. In the business organization, many times there are ups and downs. To face these ups and downs, positive approach of an entrepreneur will survive him in this competitive business world. Number 7. Risk-bearing capacity. Successful entrepreneur takes calculated risks. Risk means possibility of loss. Due to many internal or external factors, many enterprises suffers losses. But entrepreneur is always ready to face challenges and always seeks new and more opportunities. Number 8. Self-confidence. An entrepreneur has self-confidence. He has positive desires to achieve his goals. Such self-motivation keeps him strong and confident to face various obstacles. Friends, these all are about the characteristics of an entrepreneur. I have confidence you understood it well. Thank you, students.